Sheesh! What's up, creatives? Welcome back to the channel. Been a cool minute. I know I've been ghost. Haven't really been posting this much on the channel lately. I've just been trying to find myself. I've been really into fitness, so that's been taking most of my time. And honestly, I've been the happiest I've ever been. So let me backtrack a little bit. What are we doing today? So as you guys know, I've been lacking with car content. I've been lacking with putting stuff on this channel as is. So today I got a treat for you guys. We're gonna be rolling with the SteezyGz and a few other of my homies to a car meet at the Alameda Naval base, I believe it's at. Oh, I am actually running late. I gotta go clean the S2K real quick, get it prepped, put air in the tires, check the oil. Let's go ahead and do that because I am running late. See you guys at the car. Got some fresh towels in here to clean up the S2K. Only microfiber. You know what we do, carboy things. There she is. Old reliable, chilling. Haven't really done that much to the car. The last thing I did was actually put tint on it. I think I went 5% in the front. Yeah, 5% all around actually. Oh, reliable right here, baby. Haven't turned her on in about a week. So I need to get some gas. Yup. There we go. So I already checked the oil the other day on the S2K. We're good. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down real quick and check the tire pressure. Biggest thing when having a car with stretched tires is checking the air pressure whenever you're going out. Since I do have a lot of stretch, I do have to have a somewhat decent high PSI. With this amount of stretch, I'm running on a 215, 35, 18. I have to have around 50. 49.5, not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and check all four of them. This is low. When you have a tire that's low in air pressure, one of the best benefits of having airlift. Oh yeah, grab this puppy. See the nozzle right here. There we go. This over here to this tire. Alright, so car's cleaned up, tires are all good on air. Went ahead and put the nozzle back. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get some gas. Low on fuel, only got 2 bars, but I'm gonna stop at the gas station down the street from my house, and I'll see you guys at the meet.
Hey, let me hop in. Hey, it's out. We out.
Hey,
let me see that pussy, bro.
I got free dick for you. It ain't that big.
He's a dog. He's a dog.
Ooh. Straight nasty, my guy. Sheesh. And I'm moving over here. Keep the lineup nice and clean. God damn. STK made it in one piece. Sheesh. Don't clown on the fitment. I'll be fixing that soon, hopefully. I need some spacers.
Hey, you ain't fucking,
And we ain't fucking, baby. You're fucking car vibes, dude. Hella crazy cars over here right now. Hella people too. Hey, fuck COVID, bro. That's just gas too. Bro, you gonna wide body? The color too, bro. That's hella clean. Su madre, dude. That's fucking wide, my guy. Oh shit, SDK. How do you see that? Little carbon fiber wing looking clean. Hey, post up, hey. That's hella funny, dude.
Hey, yo. Hey, dude, hey. Dude, I forgot to give you a cheese back here.
Hey, what the fuck? What's up, dude? What's up, bro? Oh, yeah, bro. How you been?
I haven't seen you guys in fucking ages.
I know, dude.
Hey, yo. Welcome back to the vlog. It's Mudder Media here. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys. Welcome MTV. This is my crib.
this is a little whip right here. All right. Sheesh,
yeah, I got all my camera shit in there, but like, I mean, I got the 326s, 326 wheel. Like,
that's fucking insane, dude.
First impression. All right. Wait. Hold on. Let me take off my shoes. Hey, yo, I gotta grab the good. What do you want? White, black?
Bro,
silver?
fuck.
Here.
Surprise me, bro. Mudder with the drugs, dude.
Here.
Thank you, broski. Appreciate you.
I got you. It should go with
going into S2K, my guy.
Pretty aggressive for me, but I mean, it might be good for you.
What do you think, Kev? What do you think?
They're aggressive as shit, dude.
Damn, this is actually nice. Like, it fits me nice.
Are they adjustable? Can you lean them back or no?
Yeah, they're adjustable.
Oh, you can't. Oh, fuck.
Got myself a Supra, boy.
Yo, he traded in the FRS. He said, fuck, we out here.
Where's S2K?
Over there, bro. She's posted.
bought it?
Fuck yeah, I did, dude. They mean shit right now, but hey, thoughts about the Supra then?
Hey, I'm gonna steal it.
Hey,
Don't tell them.
hey, we taking that shit later, bro. But it's getting jumped, bro.
That's right, baby.
Bro, my dick feels like it got bigger than this shit.
Big, hey, it's that big dick energy, bro. Come on.
That's crazy.
First impressions.
My dick's hard as fuck in this, bro. I ain't gonna cap. This is really nice, dude. This is really, I can't even explain it.
Hey, bro, you're making me hard, bro. Stop talking about it like that.
R34 game. Sheesh. Where the fuck are the NSXs, dog? Oh shit, Lambo. Oh, there we go. Dude, what the fuck? Dreamy car, guys. God damn.
Reverse is 6th gear.
Bro, didn't he let you move the car? Ooh! Hey, just stop. Here, I'll hold you back.
Hey, cause I want to film someone moving it. I'll raise it up and like get it to a right height.
Dude, you look so tiny in there.
Hey, go stay back. 3, 2, 1.
God damn.
Dang, dude, I get to film mine. It's my first time filming my own car.
No way?
Yeah. Is it weird driving on the right?
Weird. I've never driven right hand. That's all I'm like.
Oh, you gotta slam it. Slam that
Yeah, slam it, bro.
Slammed up his boy.
It's so weird.
That's gas, dude. That's like, was it that crazy? It felt weird.
Hell, they're all sweating, bro. Everyone's looking at me.
You in the vlog?
Huh? Yeah, he's in there. You want to vlog? Here, you
No,
vlog.
am I in there? Alright.
Talk.
Hey. What's up?
Dog, you're vlogging now, boy.
Yeah. Alright, so here in Alameda. I'm with my boy Kev Nasty. Yeah, you see the vibes. My boy George and shit. So like, trying to get in this vlog shit, but it's been kind of rough. What y'all think about this shit? I'll see it, y'all see it.
Oh. Bro, he's about to make some money. Look at him. Hey. He's about to make hella money. Look at him. He already knows, bro. Look at Jesse. Looks like a little kid, bro. I like excited as shit. Hey, Jesse.
Double strawberry sandwich with cream.
Run it, bro.
I'll take a Powerpuff Girl.
A chocolate
I'll take a SpongeBob. I'll take a SpongeBob on a stick. Thank you. Appreciate it.
How much are you, Kev? On trade.
Hey, big baller, bro. Fuck. Thank you.
I told that motherfucker to come.
You don't know, somebody next to you probably does. So 5 o'clock to see you guys there. Thank you very much. My name is Perch. At spot number 2. And don't worry, there's still perch available at spot number 2.
All up for us to know each other?
Yeah, hell will be wearing out.
God damn.
How are we gonna do this now?
It's 1-0. Yeah, fuck. Bro, look at the cut, dude. Look at those fucking wheels. What up, cut? Look at Mama Lona, dude. Dog. Oh, I'm talking so much here. Fuck. Alright, meet was a success. So many cool people here. The cars were freaking awesome. So many beautiful builds. It was pretty fucking sick, no lie. So currently we're gonna go grab some food in SF. I think we're going to In-N-Out. Probably shoot a couple photos there, just vibe with the homies and see where the night will lead us. So see you guys in SF. Everyone's parking in space right now. Damn! Oh my god! What was Sheesh! See the lineup? Sheesh! Looking real good. Dessert, you're in the vibes.
This is SteezyGz.
Right here.
In the big body Miata. Driving through the piers, airing out. You already know.
Some light, you know what I'm saying? Looking for some big biddies out here.
Yeah, that's right. Some taquitos de ojo. See where the
VTEC.
Not bad, not
Nice,
bad,
you know
not
what I'm
bad. Sound clean. I heard the VTEC kick. It's cool. For sure. This concludes my part. Peace.
Sheesh. We had to pull over, get some quick pics, and change the ISO real quick. Oof. Whoops are looking mighty clean right now. Man, I love this car so much, dude. This thing has brought me so much happiness. Kind of sad that I haven't worked on it in a while, but that'll change for sure. She did me good today. The boy's looking really clean. Look at this guy. Look at it. Sheesh. got the boy Kev posted up right here. We're currently waiting for our other buddies right now. They parked in this parking garage right here. That's gonna be the vlog right there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.